Hello guys!
What are we going to do today?
We're learning colors with the slime. Yellow, orange, green, blue, pink, purple. Purple! Yay! I love it. Look at the slime. I like it. Yay! Now fill this glass with yellow. Okay. Yay! Now fill the glass with orange. Fill this glass with green. Now fill this glass with blue. Now fill this glass with pink. Now fill this glass with purple. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Yellow, orange, green, blue, purple, pink. Yay! See you next video. Goodbye. Goodbye.